In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a final site performance checklist before launching your Webflow site. This step-by-step guide will help ensure everything is set up correctly and ready for the grand moment when you hit that publish button. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Webflow's homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll see the familiar login button. Go ahead and click on Login. This will prompt you to enter your credentials and access your Webflow account. It might seem like a simple step, but ensuring you're logged into the correct account can save you hassle down the line. After logging in, the next destination is the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all of your projects. Once your dashboard loads up, take a moment to glance through your projects and select the one you're preparing to launch. Clicking on your project will open up all the nitty-gritty details within that specific site, setting the stage for your final preparations. Now that you're inside your project, it's time to focus on the main event, the publishing process. Look for the Publish button. This crucial button serves as the gateway to making your site live. With a steady hand, click on Publish. This action will open up a dialog box listing all the domains associated with your project. It's important to carefully select the domains you want to publish to, ensuring they match up with your intentions for site visibility and accessibility. Once you've selected the domains, the final step is the big moment. Publish to selected domains. With a click, your site will be live. It's a simple action, yet it's the culmination of all your hard work. At this point, it's worth doing one last check to ensure everything looks as expected. Consider viewing your website on different devices and browsers to confirm it displays correctly. And there you have it. You've just successfully navigated the final site performance checklist for your Webflow site. Remember, these final checks are crucial, as they ensure a smooth launch and prevent any unforeseen issues. By following these steps, you can be confident that your site is polished, professional, and ready for the world to see. Thank you for joining me today, and happy launching!